glute kickback machine. So these are a very popular way of isolating the glutes because they essentially mean that the one limiting factor you're dealing with is going to be the glutes. Now, the one downside of this machine is it works the glutes in a very shortened range, which isn't necessarily ideal for hypertrophy, but if it's included in a well-balanced program, it can still be a really, really good stimulus, and it isn't something that's going to make you particularly sore, especially when you compare it to something like more length and range movement like a split squat, which may allow you to get more overall training volume into your week. So, the things we need to be aware of with this machine, we need to be aware of how to adjust it to our size. That one's fairly simple. Almost all machines have that capacity. If they don't, again, not the end of the world. The other thing that some of the more advanced machines have is they have the capacity to change the angle at which you are pressing. So the lower the angle, so the closer to parallel with the floor, the more we're going to be working the mid to lengthen range of the glutes, or at least at longer muscle lengths than we are if we're working directly upwards. The second disadvantage of pressing in a very vertical path is that it tends to make the propensity to overarch that lower back even greater. So we need to make sure whatever setup we're using on this, we're keeping our abs tight, contracting that short position, squeezing the glutes hard at the top of the rep. And that goes for whether you're pressing vertically or at a bigger angle.